And kicking off the show for us from Nani Aesthetic Medicine, our Dr. Marie Williams. Aloha, doctor.
Good morning.
And Dr. Graham Reed. Aloha, doctor. Welcome.
Aloha.
Thank you guys so much for joining us super early. Now, if it's okay, Dr. Williams, we'll start with you since you came to our studio at about 8 o'clock this morning. So, A student over here. Double congratulations, first of all, on being named one of the best medical spas in Hawaii. And congratulations also on 10 years of aesthetic excellence right here in Hawaii. So, for our viewers who may not be familiar with what you guys do at Nani, please tell us about your practice and what the 10-year milestone means to you guys.
First and foremost, thank you very much for the recognition. It is such a humbling experience for all of us. So briefly, Nani Aesthetic Medicine is a leading medical spa based out of Kapolei, and we specialize in advanced injectables, regenerative aesthetics, and sustainable weight management. And it feels surreal to be able to be recognized as one of the best medical spa because it solidifies our commitment to our patients for providing evidence-based solutions that would help them make and feel good about themselves. 10 years in the business is not easy, but we are here, and that is all thanks to our patients who continue to support us through the years.
For sure. Thank you so much, Dr. Williams. Dr. Reed, what do you think has helped Nani remain successful and trusted in such a this is a very competitive industry, right? And you folks have been doing it for 10 years. What do you consider your secret to your success?
Well, I think it's two things really: authenticity and trust. We've always emphasized, obviously, firstly, educating the patients, educating the staff, and so on, and also safety. But along with that, we make sure that we're always doing the right thing by our patients. We don't just follow trends. We say, okay, we individually structure the treatments for each patient.
Wow.
And I think with that kind of an approach, we've been able to build up trust with people. Patients can tell if you're genuine, if you're genuinely interested in their long-term well-being, the long-term outcomes of what we're doing.
Then they're going to keep coming back.
Exactly, right? Exactly. And so it's that kind of an approach has built up trust, and I think that's why we've been able to do so well for the past 10 years. It doesn't seem like 10 years.
Flies by, yeah.
10 years.
And you know, Dr. Williams, you mentioned earlier about that advanced injectables. I mean, I've had Botox before, just being honest. I probably need one retreatment. Yes, for sure. But there, you know, you guys got fillers, you got the neuromodulators, and then collagen biostimulators. Can you kind of explain the difference between those three?
Okay, great question. But first, let's understand that aging is such a dynamic and progressive process. So to be able to address the different signs of aging, we offer different treatment modalities at Nani Aesthetic Medicine. So briefly, what you had, neuromodulator, helps relax the facial muscles, contributing to wrinkle formation. So most common areas that we use that on the forehead, the frown, the crow's feet, and all other areas. If, for example, you also have like clenching problem, bruxism, we can also help provide relief and also aesthetic outcome. Now, dermal fillers, so say, for example, part of the aging is you're losing mid-face volume, okay? So we can restore that. And we can also create a very nice definition, jawline, contour, and chin, and also on the lips. So the trick is you just gotta go to a provider or a place that really know how to execute this vision so that you look natural.
Yeah, we want to look natural.
Now, when it comes to the biostimulator, which is actually one of our top treatments too, what it does is it's a type of injectable, but it works differently. So it's not giving the volume, but it's producing collagen. So say, for example, patients that are experiencing facial laxity, so for those that have hollowed appearance as a result of weight loss, so we specialize on those treatments as well. So I think the most common myth that we have to address is, are you gonna look frozen or unnatural? well, I can move my face. I have all these treatments.
And you look good. You look good. So, you know, I better
So
go
she's
make
a
my...
patient as well.
I better go make my appointment right now.
You are, yes, absolutely. Yeah, and Dr. Marie Williams, you do look absolutely
thank you.
beautiful.
Yes.
So if she's got the treatments, you know it works. Dr. Graham Reed right here. This is Ali'i Nani Aesthetic Medicine. Ali'iNani.com. Reach out to them because they really are one of the best of Hawaii.
Oh,
thank you.
Thank you, guys.
Now, if you want to see a full list of Best of Hawaii winners and rewatch these interviews on demand, check out KITV.com/.